Jeffrey's video how to take one. Okay, everybody. Oh, Jeffrey, you're again. Oh, look at my gloves. I've worn these gloves right out. Anyway, let's get going. Today we are trying to fix these PlayStation 4 controllers. And set this camera there. And the problem we got with these controllers are the left analog stick. This one here has got a little slight drift problem. This one and this one. Okay, and we're going to attempt to fix it today. Okay, let's get started. What I'm going to need is screwdriver set. This bing bong a dingy bing bet set. And all I'm going to do is use this as well. Multi-lube e-oil. Please do not copy me at home. This might not be the right way to do it, but this is how I do it, and it works perfectly. Okay, I'm going to take these to the PC to show you what I mean. We'll give them a test, see if all the buttons work, and we'll take it from there. See you at the PC. Okay, everybody, we're at the PC, and this is what we do to test the controller. As you can see on the PC, we've opened up control panel with all the devices and dingy ding dongs. So what we do is to get the PlayStation controller, plug USB into computer and the other end into the controller, like so. You should see it charging, which is not. What a load of crap. Nope. Let's try this blue one. See if it's charging. Alright, this one's just charging. Okay, so this needs cleaning out. Put a load of gunk in it. Okay, this is how we test it. Okay, we go on to devices, like so. Then you can see a controller. What we do is, because it's a touch screen, you're supposed to right click, but I'm going to long press that. Game controller settings, click it. Says wireless controller. What we do is we click on it's okay. We click on properties. Then we got all the buttons. We got this analog, right analog stick, buttons. I don't know if you can see it all working. This working, all the working. Clicky clicky. As you can see, this is the left analog stick. As I move that moves around, but it's drifting. Can you see it drifting up? I can go down, but it's always staying at the top, which is a nightmare. But we're gonna fix this today. We're gonna fix it. Right, I'm gonna plug this one and try the yellow, white one again. Yellow one. God blind. Right, exit that for a minute. We'll plug this. See if we can get this going. Let's see if we can movie doobie it. It's red. I'll keep it there. Okay, controller. Long press. Control settings. Okay. Properties. As you can see, yeah, this is all working. It's working. As you let us take. Oh, it's drifting a bit. I don't know if you can see it moving. It's drifting a bit. Do you know what? I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see what I've done there. If I move it down a bit, it's going down slowly. But when I go up, it takes a while. I'm moving it and it's not even moving. Can you see that? Look. It's just about moving. So there's something wrong with this analog stick. That's the white one. So we're going to attempt to fix this one as well today. But not on camera. I'm just going to fix the blue one. This video is going to be long enough as it is, because I'm always jerking about. Giggity. Right, unplug that. Okay, I'll meet you back on the desk. Okay, we're back on the desk now again. Alright, let's take this apart. First we've got to Get a little screwdriver. Excuse me. Rough night last night. Rough night last night. Oh, all my screwdrivers is gone AWOL. I think that I'm gonna do it. That's it. Yeah, as I was saying, it was a bit all rough night last night. Oh, I'm a bit chilly. I'm gonna put those screws in there, like so. Yeah. As we all know, I take a bit of medication. Giggity. And oh, that one's not coming out. Yeah, I take a bit of medication, but last night I was a bit, couldn't see nothing, and I took my medication last night, but I took the wrong this is the medication I took last night. Oh, that's the only medication I took. I'll tell you what. Yeah, not these ones, but the other ones I was supposed to take 2 tablets every night, but I accidentally took these. You can imagine what a night I've had. And the wife said, you are not getting in the bed tonight. You sleep in the shed. You sleep in the shed. And I kept saying, exterminate, exterminate. Yeah, I had to sleep in the shed. I've slept in the shed all night because I've took the wrong tablets. Oh, let me. I will show you what I look like in a minute. Cause I'm worse for wear. Oh, I'm worse for wear. Oh, bugger. What I'll do is, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll just pan this camera around, and I'll show you what I mean. What I look like. I'll just pan around and I'll show you what I look like. Oh. Yeah, like, I'm worse for wear. I'm embarrassed. Don't look at me. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, I'll carry on with the video, eh? I don't know what. I think it was Viagra. I've been up all night. Oh. Let me just pan the camera back round. Tell you what I'm doing. That's it. That's it. Oh. Yeah, I'm a bit worse for wear. Oh, do not take these. Anyway, back to the controller. Right then, we've got one more screw there. I believe we got a. There you go. We're supposed to pry that apart, but it's come off easy. Look at that. And we get some of these tools here. Get a pry bar. Open it right up. I think I'll use this giggity gadget thing here. Like I say, don't. This is, oh shit! This is based on my own experience. Okay, don't copy me. It might not be the right way of doing it, but this is how I've been doing it for years, and it works perfectly. All right, we've opened this up gently. Gently. Don't you bust any wires. Right, what we need to get at is this. Right, let me just take this cable out. Okay, this first thing we'll do is unclip this battery, I think. Get that battery out. So we don't want to electrocute ourselves, do we? So unclip the battery to one side, and we got to take this ribbon cable out. All we do here is just grab it at the bottom gently, and pull it out like so. Okay. Taking note which way it goes in with the connectors on that side. Right, we'll put that to one side. We don't need that. Obviously that's the bit what fell out just now, so I can put that back in a minute. I'll leave it there. What we need to get at is the other side of this PCB, because we need to get at this analog stick higher underneath there. So there's a screw holding the battery case together. We undo that one. Put that one side, take that out, put that one side. Then we can see the PCB. Right, you've got to be careful here because it will a whole lot will come out. So how do I do this? Okay, what we do is be careful because I'm going to flip this around. This will come out. So right. Oh yeah, that's what I got to do. I forgot this ribbon cable here. I don't know if you can see it. It's got to come out. So what we do, we get a. I ain't got no tweezers, so we take that out. Like so. Like that. Can you see it? We took that out. And we pry this out. Bear in mind this don't get caught. Like so. Ta-da! Okay. That's what it looks like on the underside. There's no water damage or anything like that. The reason why we got to take this out because I need to get access to this. Okay, I'll take that out. See that the analog stick cover goes over there and it's hiding the insert to this. I need to get it to that. So what we do, it's only this one was playing up. So what we do is make sure everything, I'm just checking, make sure all the things is working on that. So what we do is we get some oil. This is what I do, so don't copy me. What we do is we get some of this, put on there so the oil don't waste. And don't ask me why I've got tissue paper in the shed when I took those wrong tablets. Just don't ask. Oh. Okay, I've only got that today because of the oil. Right, so what we do is make sure you got the battery disconnected because you don't want to short it out. Right, this is what I do. Okay, all the experts out there is going to scream. It's going to scream at me. It's going to be great. Right, this is what I do. I just dab a bit of oil, push that to one side, a bit of oil there. I only need a little bit in there. Just a little bit of oil. Okay. You don't need none on the outsides. And this is what I do. Make sure that circuit board don't come out. Anyway, what we do is just hold the bottom, get the old analog stick, give it a good old twirl, work that oil in, because it's cleaning off all the mechanism. Right around, clicky click clicks, keep a couple of clicks, keep going round, let that oil work right in, like so. Yeah, work that in, work. Just work that in, like so. Yeah, you can probably see any shit. Excuse the pun. Just wipe the excess off. Like so. Just wipe it off. That's it. I will let that sit for about let that sit for about an hour. Let everything just evaporate a little bit. then check, make sure it's not running down the PCB and such and such. So we'll let that sit for about an hour and I'll be back.
1 hour later.
Oh, we're back. I've let that sat for about an hour, and we can put everything back together and see what it's like. We'll just give it a good twirl again. Clicky click click. Right, let's put this baby back together. So what we do first is put this analog stick back on. Now we got to put this upside down. It's hard to do with gloves on. This is, but I'm not taking them off. I'm not taking them off. And see this? You know what? I might take my gloves off because I don't want no oil on the connectors, like so this connector here. So what we do is get a bit of dry bit of paper, just in case any oil has got onto it. Wipe it. Giggity. Right, this is the tricky part. Now we've got to try and get this back in, and this touch pad ribbon cable, we've got to get it through that there. So here's a way of doing it.
5 hours later.
It's a nightmare getting this cable in. I hate it. We got a big yeah, bugger. What we do is fishy dish this cable in. And what it already is. See, I've got it straight in. Look at that. It's come through there. So I know that's. Make sure everything's in line, which it is. Then what we do is we're going to get this cable in there. So liney-diny it up. There you go. He's in there connected perfectly. Now what we've got to do is put the old battery cover on. Battery in a minute, because I don't want to blow myself up. And we get this cover, the ribbon cable. Be careful with these ribbon cables because they will snap. They will snap. Like so. Just try and hold these bits together like that. Battery has got to go in. Make sure it goes in the right way. Like so. Lay the battery down. I swear that's supposed to be stuck down, but it's not. Okay, now we put that back down, but I've got to put this back in because it fell out. Watch these bits because they will fall out and they spring. They just spring everywhere. So basically that just goes in a leg. That. Make sure you put it right because it will not. There you go. See, I've put it in wrong. That one's okay. That one's not, because that the little there hook is going to go around like so. So yeah, that's working. Now we put this back together. Like so. That's it. Give it a visual inspection. Make sure everything's back to normal. Button's working. On that one. It's clicky clicky. Yeah. Everything working. Yeah. Cushy. Then we get your little screws put back in. Right. Yep, that's working. Not well, I don't know if it's working yet. I've got to go over to the PC and see if it's working. So meet over the PC to see if this working. Okay everybody, we're back at the PC. Got the controller here. We'll plug you in. There you go. Is it charging? Yeah, it's charging. Oh, it's just connected. That way. Long press. Game controller settings. I hope this works. I'm live on camera. Properties. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's still drifting, but we'll give it a little bit more of a wig. Let's see what it does. No, it's not fixed it. Give it a bit more. It will work. Eventually. To keep wiggling it, wiggling it, wiggling it like that. It's not working. It's not working. It worked. It worked before. I think that's that Viagra I took. It's always up. Always up. No, it's not worked. So I'm going to have to get a new controller. But that's fine. Let's go back to the bench. Let's go back to the bench.
1 hour later.
Oh, God. So we're back again. Sorry it took me so long to get back to the computer, the desk. I'm just saying, these ain't weared off yet. Sorry, let's just clear this. Hey. Let's just clear this mess. Sorry. Oh, I gotta chuck these out. Anyway, we tried to fix it, but we didn't. I think the secret ingredient didn't work today. So if you've got any comments on this video, if you know how to fix this, I think the easiest fix is go to Argos and buy a new one. This is a cheaper option. Oh, thanks very much, everybody. I hope you like this video. Again, stupid video. Hopefully we'll get a special guest next week, but we don't know yet. Anyway, thanks very much, everybody. Jeffrey out.